garden fork, not just a garden fork. I've just rehafted? You haft an axe. I've just fitted this handle onto here, and I've used, and I've not filmed it. I wanted to film it, but I've got so many edits to do and whatever. I've actually used the same pin that came out. I've actually used the same pin back through it, and this pin here, I call them pins because they're not screws and they're not nails. This pin here doesn't come through the back, but I've done my best to get that to work, so that's good. And I think I've got a way around that now. So I've learnt a lesson. I've learnt a lesson. The important thing is when you look from here down, the tines disappear in line with the handle. So when you're using it, it's dead straight. It's more of a lady's than a gentleman's. The handle's probably a little bit longer than it should be, but I don't know how long it should be. Maybe next time I'll invest a lot more time in making sure that the height is right. But there we go. That is a garden fork fixed. But that's the thing, using the traditional methods, and the traditional method included a nail punch, a hammer, also an anvil. All of this rust has come from the end of the fork, dried out inside. What I did to actually get the rest of the wood out of there, because I couldn't take the pins out, was I put it on the fire. I put it on a fire, and that's why it looks like that. It just needs a wire wool down now, some linseed oil on there, and it's back to work for it. So yeah, quite pleased with that. It worked out well. And yeah, here are the tools: hammer, screwdriver, punch, axe, draw knife, grinder, cabinet scraper, just for the final finishing in there, axe to help chisel, takes them away. What else? Short and sweet. And the next one I'll actually do it on camera so that I can show exactly how I've done it. Looks good, and it should last another 30 years or so at least. Right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, do appreciate it. Please share, like, subscribe. I've tidied my saws up a bit more, and I've got one or two out of order because they were going to be in order. And my picture's out the way. Look, I'm all over there now, which is great, so I feel better about that. The super thanks is buy me a coffee. My email address is somewhere, so you can PayPal if you want to support me. And on to the next video. I wonder what that'll be.